Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Sarah. I'm a pregnant stay-at-home mom of 2. My daughter Ari is 3 and my son AJ is 17 months. Welcome to our channel. Here on our channel, you'll find lots of motherhood content, vlogs, and cleaning motivation. If that's something you're into, then definitely subscribe. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys my grocery weekly routine. So typically on Sundays, I like to place an Instacart order. Being a family of 4, or should I say 4.5, we go through groceries like any other family. And one thing about me, I do not like going into the grocery store. I feel like it's very stressful, especially taking your kids into the store. So what I like to do is order my groceries online or through the app Instacart. If you don't know what Instacart is, it's a delivery service where there's a shopper who shops for all of your needs and delivers it right to your home. This is one thing I love to use. So this morning, like I said, I placed my little Instacart order and here I am just unpacking, unboxing everything and laying it all out. If you'd like to give Instacart a try, definitely check out the link in my description box below and get $10 off of your first order. So here's a quick glance of some of the things we got this week. So our favorite store to order grocery from is Wegmans. Comment down below your favorite grocery store. When we're on the West Coast, we love shopping at H-E-B. When we're in Florida or on that side of the coast, we love shopping at Publix. Let me know down below, where is your go-to grocery store? So here I am now just taking all of our snacks out of the box and placing them into this organizer tray. I got all of these trays off of Amazon and these have been the best thing ever. Such a game changer when it comes to keeping the pantry and refrigerator organized. Here's to TikTok made me buy it. So people were like, why do you take your eggs out of the tray it came in to put them in a different tray? And for some reason, I don't know, I just find it really pleasing to have my eggs in this storage container or organizer tray rather than having it in the plastic container it came in. It just looks way better in the fridge. If you have picky eaters like me, that can make mealtime very difficult, especially when it comes to vegetables. Ari loves green beans, but AJ hates them. And AJ loves peas, but Ari hates those. So instead of making 2 big different things of vegetables for dinner, I find buying these vegetable cups way easier. All I have to do is put them in the microwave for 30 seconds and boom, veggies are served. If you made it this far in the video, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more. I'm not the best at organizing, but hey, it's working out fine. I actually need to go and order some more of these little containers for the fridge and for the pantry. Now I realize while editing this video, I forgot to take a picture of the before and after of the fridge before we went grocery shopping and after organizing everything. And I feel so bad because I really wanted you guys to see like what my refrigerator looks like. And now that I'm thinking about it, it's probably too late to go take a picture right now because it's been a few days and the refrigerator is back to a mess. Real life, mom life. So here I am now just taking all these brown paper bags out of the plastic bags, folding them down, and getting them ready for the recycle. I know I'm not the only one that hangs on to all of these plastic bags.